Imagine a world where quantum computers, the future of computing power, are held back by something as seemingly simple as size. That's the reality we face today, but a groundbreaking solution might be on the horizon. The challenge lies in miniaturizing the intricate components that make quantum computing possible, and 3D printing could be the key to unlocking this potential. Quantum computers rely on the harmonious collaboration of countless microscopic parts to tackle complex calculations. Among these components is trapped ion technology, which uses electromagnetic fields to confine charged particles like ions. However, current microfabrication techniques struggle to produce the intricate electrode structures required for optimal ion confinement in quantum operations. But here's where it gets exciting. Researchers from the University of California and Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory have turned to high-resolution 3D printing as a potential solution. In a study published in Nature, they demonstrated that two-photon polymerization, 2PP, a cutting-edge 3D printing technique, can create large arrays of miniaturized 3D ion traps with complex geometries, all while maintaining scalability and precision. At the heart of quantum computing is the need to store quantum information, a task performed by individual ions confined in trapped ion systems, acting as qubits, the building blocks of quantum information. Ion traps achieve this by using electric fields to hold ions in a deep potential well, preventing them from drifting or being disrupted by external factors. Traditional 3D ion traps, with electrodes arranged around the ion in 3 dimensions, offer strong confinement but are challenging to miniaturize. Additionally, the large distance between the ion and electrodes, approximately 1 millimeter, weakens the electric field strength, leading to lower trap frequencies and limiting scalability in quantum computing. And this is the part most people miss. Surface traps built using 2D electrode structures created via photolithography have been explored as a miniaturization solution. However, these traps require ions to be stored extremely close to the electrodes, often resulting in electric field noise from heat-generating electrodes, which can introduce errors in quantum operations. To address these challenges, the researchers developed a high-resolution 3D printing method that combines the strengths of traditional 3D traps, such as robust radial confinement, with the miniaturization and scalability of chip-based devices. Using a commercially available 3D printer called Nanoscribe, they built ion traps directly on sapphire substrates. These traps were then coated with gold or aluminum. The team successfully confined calcium ions using these traps, achieving radial trap frequencies between 2 and 24 MHz. They also demonstrated high-fidelity quantum operations, including a 2-qubit gate with a Bell state fidelity of 0.978 plus or minus 0.012, showcasing the trap's reliability in supporting quantum computing. Remarkably, the trap frequencies achieved were 4 times higher than those typically seen in both macro 3D traps and surface traps. But here's the controversial part. While this breakthrough holds immense promise, it also raises questions about the long-term viability of 3D printing in quantum computing. Can this method consistently produce traps with the precision required for large-scale quantum systems? And how will it fare against other emerging technologies? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. This research, led by Shuki Etsu and published in Nature, marks a significant step forward in quantum technology. As we continue to explore the frontiers of science, support from readers like you is crucial to keeping independent science journalism alive.
If this story resonates with you, consider making a donation to ensure we can keep bringing you groundbreaking discoveries.